Hey, my name is Vincent Robinson. I'm in the Computer Science Internet course here at Full Sail, and today I've made a podcast on the recording arts industry and the technology within it.
You're good.
In order to musically interact with a computer, one uses MIDI.
MIDI, or Musical Instrument Digital Interface, is a machine language that allows for electronic instruments like synthesizers to communicate and be controlled by sequencers. There is no audio carried in MIDI information, only event data that signifies what should be played and when. The DAW is the merger of the personal computing and traditional audio recording. The industry standard in the US continues to be DigiDesign's Pro Tools system. Pro Tools' roots are traced to the mid-1980s when Evan Brooks and Peter Gotcher set out to create a drum sampler replacement system for the drum machines. The product became known as DigiDrums, which by 1989 morphed into Sound Tools, a 2-track recorder. In 1991, Sound Tools was upgraded and renamed Pro Tools. The success of DAWs forced modern engineers and producers to be familiar with computers. Engineers today not only have to troubleshoot traditional analog equipment, but also computers in order to maintain a working studio. Not only are computer components of the digital audio workstation, but they are also found in everything in the modern studio, from consoles to even outboard gear. Essentially, consoles are collections of small electronic devices that provide specific individual functions assimilated into one integrated unit. There are two types of consoles available today. Some are based on traditional analog circuitry, where the electrical audio signal passes through potentiometers, filters, capacitors, resistors, and more to allow full alteration and manipulation of the signal. Some are digital consoles and convert an analog signal and/or receive a purely digital signal from a source. They afford the user the same manipulation but perform operations on binary data as opposed to analog signals. Essentially, a digital console is a computer outfitted with a user interface mimicking that of an analog unit. Both analog and digital models adhere to a certain design that is quite consistent from console to console. They are built around the path audio signal takes through the console. Grasping the basic signal flow will allow an engineer to successfully run audio signal from a microphone to control room speakers on practically any professional console.